Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Madam Excellence here. How are you doing today? So today you see this beautiful meal. I'll show you how to do it. It's called nachos. It's so delicious, easy to make. In 30 minutes you're done. See how beautiful it looks? If you're new to this channel, like this video kindly, subscribe and share. If you're returning, you are the best. Like it as well and share. So first of all, we're going to be chopping up our bell peppers. I've got multiple colors. I've got the yellow, I've got the red, I've got the purple, greenish ones. Go ahead and chop it up, just dice it up like so. You just want it to look pretty on the nachos, right? No chunks, big chunks. Nope. Make it as tiny as possible. And then we're going to be dicing up our onions. This is a sweet onions. You can use the purple one if you like. And then in a pan, we are going ahead to heat up our minced meat. You can use turkey. Go ahead and, let it dry up and put in your spices, whatever spices you have, put in your onions. And then in a pan, in a baking sheet with your parchment paper, you can use foil paper if you want. Layer up your nachos like so. I'm using 2 pans. I'm making 2 batches, lay it up like this and just evenly layer it up. You just want it to, you don't want it to stack against each other. Just layer it up like so, and so that it looks pretty. And then I had, a few other chips in the pantry and I just didn't want it to go to waste. I just added it as well. That's the chips I'm using, the tortilla chips I'm using. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with our vegetables. And we're going to put in our bell peppers, the ones we already chopped. Just go ahead and evenly spread it on the nachos. You want every bite. You want it to be on every bite. And then go ahead and, sprinkle your onions as well, the onions we chopped earlier. And then we had to chop some tomatoes. You see how tiny the tomatoes look? Go ahead and spread it. And then the beef is cold. We allowed it to cool off. And then we went ahead and we evenly distributing the beef, the minced meat like so. If you have more meat, go ahead and place it on it. And then we are using our cheese. You can use any cheese you have, mozzarella, cheddar cheese. Do not be shy with your cheese. Let it be cheesy. Go ahead and spread your cheese. We want this cheese to bind everything together. See how I'm doing it? Just evenly spread it across. And then I'm going in with my banana peppers. Some people use jalapeno peppers if you like the spice, but I just want it to be sweet. And then I threw it in the oven for about 300 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you go. Look at how delicious and beautiful it looks. I'm going to finish this with my family. It is so delicious. It smells so good. And then for the sauces I'm using some ranch and then some salsa sauce. You can use sour cream. You can use whatever sauce you want to cool it off. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.